Hello and welcome to this Blackboard video tutorial on adding a user with the TAGA tool. The TAGA tools are designed to manage users for a course site other than those users officially enrolled in the course. Circumstances under which you might use the TAGA tools to add a user include adding a student who took an incomplete in a previous semester course and needs to finish coursework, adding a teaching assistant, or adding another instructor as a student in a course to provide him or her with a student-level access. The TAGA tools do not serve the same purpose as the student tools. They should not be used to manage users who appear on the TopNet roster for the course. In this video, we'll demonstrate the method for adding an individual user to a course site. To begin the process of adding a user, you'll need to be logged into Blackboard. Then click the Tools tab. You will need to log into the faculty tools, so enter your NetID and password. Then click Login. Now that you're logged in, put your mouse over the TAGA menu. When the menu opens, click the Add TAGA option. Next, enter the information for the user you wish to enroll in a course site. You can search for a user by choosing one of the following search criteria: WKU ID, 800 number, first and last name, or WKU email address. Note that entering more than one of these search criteria will likely not return the desired results. I'm going to search for the user based on WKU email address. Once you've entered your search criteria, click Next. Now you'll need to select the user from the generated search results. If you search based on WKU ID or WKU email address, then you should only have one person in this list. If you search based on first and last name, you may have more than one person from which to choose. Once you've selected the correct person, click Next. You should see a list of all the courses you're teaching on Blackboard. Select the checkbox next to the course into which the user needs to be enrolled. Next, click the drop-down box to select the appropriate role for the user. Please note that a user must be course-trained before you can grant them instructor access to a course site. I'm going to assign my user the TA or teaching assistant role. Also note that you can add this user to more than one site at a time and with different roles in each site. I'm going to add my user to a second site, this time with the grader role. Select Grader from the drop-down box. Once you've made all of your selections, scroll down and click Next. You should see a summary that includes who you added, the courses to which the person was added, and the corresponding role. Also notice the indication that the user will be added during the next update and not immediately. Select the Return to Summary page button to be returned to the main Faculty Tools Summary page. If you have questions or need further assistance, please contact the ITS Service Desk at 270-745-7000 or online at www.wku.edu/ITS.